As fall in North Carolina arrives and the days grow shorter, the fish soon follow, invigorated by the cooling waters. It's a time when bonds are forged over the saltwater, with each other and with nature. So come along today as my dad and I relive these timeless memories, casting into some epic fall fishing pier mayhem.
Hello everyone.
Hey everyone, Ryan here, welcome back to another video. We are at Bogue Inlet Fishing Pier here in Emerald Isle, North Carolina. I got my dad behind me. Today we're gonna see if we can catch some nice Spanish or bluefish or honestly anything that bites. We'll be here all day, so we'll kind of be looking at what the tide's doing, what the water's doing. And this is the very first pier that I've ever fished saltwater style. My dad took me here when I was just a little kid. I've been hooked ever since. Really excited. Let's walk on to the end of the pier and see what's going on. All right, I'm at the end here. Not a lot of people today. And this is a south-facing pier. So that's south right there. Water clarity looks pretty good. Overall pretty green. Nice good Spanish water. Kind of cloudy. Water temperature is at 79 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So still pretty warm. That's Florida over there. I don't see any bait coming down. The great thing about a north wind, so the wind's coming this way. Like when you cast out, that wind kind of pushes it out. So you get to cast real far when you're over here. It's just really, really nice. Oh, guy just caught a fish.
Yeah, good.
Oh, the blues.
Ooh.
White. Oh,
Oh shit, that's like
Dude,
a million.
You got like 20
Whoa.
more in them.
Oh,
Oh, you just got.
oh, there's so many. Oh, that's not good. Shit, I
I was
gotta,
gonna say yours.
Dad, I got a fish.
Here's up.
No,
I like it.
dang. Oh, blue? Blue? Decent sized blue. Dad, do you want me to hand line it?
That's fine. What's up?
Nice. Coming over. Good job.
No, I killed it.
Dad.
Oh, they don't like.
Good job. I got
big
one.
bubble. You got a hook on them? That's a good little blue there. 3, 4 of them. Double up on
Good
one.
little swarm.
Get you 2 in 1. Yeah, there they are again. They're after them right there. Finger. Oh, somebody.
Oh. Oh shit, there we go.
Oh, that was a nice thing. Oh man, it's a lot of blues. Good God. I got the baby.
Yeah, we gotta figure out which way we're.
Go ahead with yours. Go ahead with yours. Kind of hoping mine comes off.
Me too.
I want it.
Coming over.
Got a rule. You
Coming over.
You want it? You gotta take it off.
Let's see if that shark come back.
Yeah, watch it.
Nah.
He won't dead enough. Oh yeah! Oh, that's a nice, good one.
Oh!
No! I got him over his head. Come on.
Hey, get in there.
Hey! Oh, you motherfucker! Get over it!
No!
Got him.
Whoa!
Got him.
What the fuck? Dad, excuse me.
He got. Oh, you got.
Oh fuck! What the hell? Oh, what is it? Is it a Spanish?
Don't pump him. Don't pump him. Don't pump him. It's a Spanish cat.
Was it Spanish? Oh gosh.
Take your time.
Excuse me.
Watch out.
Excuse me. Can you move that rod, please? Excuse me.
Hurry up, let's get this thing off. Hurry out there.
What the fuck is that thing?
Still biting.
Watch out. Excuse me.
Step, sir.
Oh, my bad.
Where's that?
Can you get...
Come on over, you good? Go ahead.
Excuse me, man. Let me get in front of you. Sorry. Oh. I gotta...
Come back this way, come back this
Yep.
way. Come back over. Got gas. Yeah. Got gas.
Holy... That's why he's all the way.
Come back, come back. Iron, buddy.
You want the net? Oh. Thank you.
That one's a little bit heavier.
Whoa.
That was three.
Holy.
Good job, guys.
Thank you, brother.
No problem.
Good job, guys.
I know I couldn't leave just yet.
No, that's fine.
Holy.
I'm taking a plug, I'll get a scale for you.
Thank you. Holy.
Yes, great job.
Tim, my hands are shaking too hard to untangle this thing. I'm gonna just cut my line.
Oh yeah.
5, 6.
4.2? Holy.
4.24.
Good job.
Thank you, man.
Go get your picture took.
Dad, look.
That's so good.
Oh my gosh. That is.
Take that thing to the pier house. I love that.
Thank you. All right. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Yeah, that's my PB right there.
Yeah, take it to the pier house, get your picture took.
Yeah.
Congratulations, bud.
I'm gonna just wait a little bit. Thank you. Holy crap. That little gaff he has is pretty useful, huh?
I know that's right.
Okay. Some big ass Spanish today.
Cooper, you get all right. You get to fish with 3 rods now. You've earned your keep.
Jeff, I'll go back to fish with 2 rods when I miss a gap.
Oh, 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 yes.
I might as well not even unravel.
Oh, yes. Oh, this one's a little smaller, but okay, maybe I lied.
There's a good one. Oh my.
Oh, shit.
No.
Excuse me, Jeff.
I'm
Coming
getting
through.
that hit myself.
Oh my God, that was the one.
Damn. Okay. Come on now.
You got another one.
That's a nice one.
Right here.
Right here. Damn it.
Hold him.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
I can only go as fast as the gap falls.
Okay.
Let him roll if he wants to roll.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, push gap.
So close. I'll turn him around.
Oh, I can't believe I missed that.
Oh, I just got cut again, man.
Nah, there we go. Thank you.
Oh shit.
Ah, Jeff.
Hey, don't get shark this time.
Baby shark.
Thank you.
That's gonna be hard to get out.
That's all right.
All right,
Okay.
he's free. That's good. I just need the pliers to get this out.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Well, it just jumped.
You just launched that bluefish. That was a hook set for sure. Now hook in the belly.
Nah,
Not it's a stud though.
it's a big one. It's decent. Oh, there we go. Yep. He can come back.
Oh, he
Yeah.
came off. came out early, all did.
Maybe a bluefish, but
That was a bus. We came out.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, what the fuck?
hey, don't tighten him down.
Yeah, don't tighten him.
Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Coming over.
Oh,
Fuck.
you pulled the hook.
What did you get?
Oh, no, I didn't. Maybe it's another fish. Excuse me, coming through. Coming under. Coming under.
You got it? You got it?
I don't think so. I think
No, I think you got another
I think
one
it came off and then another one came through. Okay.
No, the one that was pulling all that drag was way bigger than that.
Yep.
Hey, that's all right. It's still a good one.
Oh, it's a great one.
I'm good with that. Is the gaff? Is Cooper still here?
He's gaffing down there. Think you can pull him?
Think you got
What pound test do you have? Is it braid?
Fuck. The answer is no.
it? Hey, you took that pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh man.
I would have pulled up hand line on it. The rod gives too much flex.
Gotcha.
What pound braid is that?
20.
Oh yeah, you
Here a
had
few
them.
times. I've just never had great luck. We used to only go down on the lure and
Holy.
until we realized they opened us up.
Was that a boil right there?
Yep.
Put them
Oh, ho, ho. We need a gaff.
That's a nice one.
That's a good fish here.
Do you need a gaff, Dad? You good?
Come on, baby. Talk to baby.
That's what we're looking for. Wham it, boy.
Oh, fuck. Excuse me. Dang, that feels good, doesn't it? Huh.
Hey, Calvin.
Ooh.
There's Bubba.
There you go.
That's a light ride.
Oh, you better hurry though.
She got hooked up.
Where is she?
Watch out, kid. Come on, just sling it over if it does make it.
Hey, anybody got a net? Anybody got a net?
Oh, somebody
That's
just
a
got
good
a
one.
nice one. Oh, that's you?
Feeding you.
Right here.
Good guy.
Hey, he's hooked good. You're good. He's hooked on the mouth. You should be okay. Oh, his head shaking.
No, you need a bigger rod. Look at that rod.
Oh. Look at that sunset, bro. Dad, look at that sunset. Yeah.
That last one right there was nice.
I've got a head on the one.
I think that one right there bit two of them. That one you just had? Yeah, he was pretty nice.
Huh? Oh, there you go. Nice.
I still smell something burning.
It's this drag.
Is it?
There's somebody coming.
Dad, you gotta move to the left. Move to the left. Move to the
I
left.
just got on too.
Did you?
I got something.
Excuse me, guys.
Yeah, I'm on.
I'm gonna let him go.
I had something. If it
You what?
Excuse me.
What?
No, we'll eat
That's
them.
a Spanish man.
What y'all guys?
Spanish shit.
Everybody.
Dad, you need me to
step
hand
back
line?
in it.
There's a
You
bunch
want
of
a hand
sharks
line?
around here.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Let me know if you need help.
Yes, yeah, you sure can.
Oh man, there he is. Whoa!
Yeah? Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Good job.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, guys.
Somebody move their lure over here.
Oh God, he's.
Oh yeah. There we go. That's what we're talking about.
That it hurts.
Oh
Ow.
shit! Don't let him get under the pier. Come here. Somebody get over here with a net.
I got here. I can handline him up. I can handline him
I
up.
say you can handle it.
He's there. I'm there. I ain't lying to you. Here comes Bubba. You better hurry up. I'm hurrying. Bubba's about to have dinner time. Coming up.
Oh, it's fucking chaos, bro.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
I hope you don't flip that fucker.
Come on. Stop.
Net that thing.
I'm gonna go in the net.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Put it on the thing. Go bring it. He's waiting for the miss, yes.
Oh shit. All right, there we go.
There you go.
Woo!
I'm gonna catch a sharky.
Gaff him.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the shark.
Bubba. What is up with that?
You might got a non-shooter.
This is the size of the Spanish. Look how big this fish is compared to my dad. It's from hip to head. That's how big that's how this, look at this thing. All right, everyone, so sunset basically. Dude, my adrenaline is shaking right now. The Spanish stopped biting, so it's time to try out some ribbonfish rigs. It's a good day, it's a good day.
Got him, dude.
Yep, got some, excuse me, sorry. Coming through, excuse me. Oh gosh. Ribbonfish, I think. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm just gonna move them over.
Another dang.
You see, you want to take a look at it?
You let it go?
So I had to de-hook it.
That
Look at that teeth.
Yeah, good lord.
Looking nasty, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oh, here we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Look at that thing.
I'll make sure you get some. If I get some. Because I'm not getting
So my job is all the Spanish mackerel. I did catch the very big one here. And now we got the ribbon fish. Look at the teeth on that thing. Holy crap. Look at that. That jaw. Crazy. Crazy fish. And then bluefish. Little blues. Probably use them for bait next time. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Today was amazing. It was just like everything went right. We hooked into a ton of fish. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you on the next adventure.